Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix V380 camera keeps going offline, Wi-Fi signal, power supply, and app sync troubleshooting. Fix 1. Check the power supply. Make sure the camera is plugged in securely and check that the power adapter and cable are not damaged. Now try a different power outlet and if available, test with another compatible power adapter. Fix 2. Improve the Wi-Fi signal. Move the camera closer to the Wi-Fi router and remove any obstacles such as thick walls or metal objects between the camera and the router. Now restart your router and check if other devices have a stable Wi-Fi connection in the same area. Fix 3. Connect to the correct Wi-Fi band. Open the V380 app and check the camera's Wi-Fi settings. Now connect the camera to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network if required by your camera module. Then save the settings and reconnect. Fix 4. Restart the camera. Unplug the camera from power and wait for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and allow the camera to reconnect to the network. Fix 5. Sync the camera with the app again. Open the V380 app and remove the offline camera from the device list. Then add the camera again using the setup process and confirm the camera appears online in the app. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.